This plant may have been dead for 100 years. Yet its name suggests that all is not lost. For this is a resurrection plant. Around here, rain might only fall once or twice a year. But if you're searching for decades, that might be enough. Dead limbs absorb water and unfurl in a matter of minutes. But the resurrection plant needs one more miracle. Rain must fall on its branches before they dry out and close up again. Within hours, shoots emerge. In just a few weeks, they flower and develop seeds of their own. Then, before they can grow any larger, the sun kills them. But their seeds live on, ready for when the rains return, even if that is a century from now.